Hello everyone. Good morning to everybody. You are most welcome in our English YouTube channel, English Literature and Grammar class. Dear students, we are enjoying the famous epical poem Lucifer in Hell, which has been lifted from the famous epic Paradise Lost. And as you know, this great epic was composed into 10 books, which was published in 1667. Later in 1672, it was divided into 12 books. The present poem has been taken from the first book of Paradise Lost. In this poem, we have known that a 3 days deadly war was waged between God and Lucifer's army, because Lucifer, whose other name is Satan, and Satan didn't obey obey to God, and he didn't accept the power of God. So he was a contestant of God. So a 3 days deadly war was waged between both legions, and at last Lucifer and his bad angels were defeated badly by the Son of God, and then Lucifer and his rebellious angels were expelled from the heaven, and they were set in the hell, and from in the journey from hell to from heaven to hell, they took the time of 9 days and 9 nights, and at last they reached in the hell. And in the hell, what kind of the situation and misfortunes were tolerated by the Lucifer and his companions, which the miserable sight of hell has also been described by Milton in this poem. In starting lines, poet Milton says that Lucifer is Lucifer, whose name is Satan, regrets on seeing the miserable condition of his comrades, the companions, because in the hell they were overwhelmed, they are crushed by the fire of flood, a flood of fire, and there is no kind of rest and peace, and hope can never comes in there. There in the hell, which is looked like a darkened cell, a darkened dungeon, which is surrounded by the flood of fire, and sulfur is also burning constantly, and during in this darkened fields, they were living a they were living a life of torments. So Lucifer felt so much regrets, but he is not he didn't feel any kind of repent on his bad act which he has been done with the god. So, in the series of describing the miserable condition of hell, poet Milton further describes about the atmosphere and miserable situation of hell in these lines. Such place eternal justice had prepared for those rebellious. Here, their prison ordained in utter darkness, and this in utter darkness, and this person said, as far removed from God and light of heaven as from the center thrice to the utmost pole. Such place eternal justice had prepared. Such place here refers to for hell, the hell, the place, such place means hell, had been prepared, was prepared by eternal justice, by the justice of, by the God of justice. It means eternal justice, a God. God has prepared this hell for those rebellious angels who raised a revolt against him. So they were expelled and set in the hell, and for them as a punishment they were this hell, the place, such place, this place, hell, was established by the God for these rebellious angels for constantly torments. Here this prison ordained in utter darkness, and this hell, which was a which was like a prison, this darkened in utter darkness. In this prison, the place of hell is filled with darkness. In utter darkness, utmost darkness, there was utmost darkness in this prison like hell, and this portion set as far removed from God and light of heaven, and this portion and this place, this prison like hell, was set by the God as far from the God and light of heaven as from the center thrice to the utmost pole. As from the center thrice to the utmost pole. The distance between hell and heaven was thrice from the distance between center means earth and to the utmost pole and utmost point in the sky. The distance between earth from earth and the topmost point in the sky, the thrice of this distance was set the hell from the heaven and God. It means I try to explain, dear students, in Hindi these lines. Such place eternal justice was had prepared. ईश्वर ने, जिसको न्याय का देवता माना जाता है, अनंत न्याय के देवता ईश्वर के द्वारा फॉर दोज रिबेलियस एंजल्स, इन रिबेलियस विद्रोही एंजल्स के लिए उनकी सजा के रूप में उनको सजा के रूप में इस हेल सच प्लेस ऐसे दर्दनाक और दुख भरे और कष्टों से भरे हुए स्वर्ग नरक को स्थापित किया है। और दिस पोर्शन ऑर्डेंड इन अटर डार्कनेस, और इस प्रिजन लाइक नरक जो एक जेल की तरह का, जो ये नरक जो जेल के जैसा है, वहाँ उसमें अत्यधिक अंधकार फैला हुआ है। और दिस पोर्शन सेट इज फार रिमोट फ्रॉम गॉड एंड लाइट ऑफ हेवन, और यह पोर्शन, यह प्लेस ईश्वर और स्वर्ग के प्रकाश से उतनी दूरी पर इसको स्थापित किया गया है जो दूरी 3 गुना है as from the center thrice to the utmost pole. जितनी दूरी सेंटर पृथ्वी और आकाश के टॉपमोस्ट पॉइंट के बीच की है, उससे 3 गुना दूरी पर स्वर्ग और ईश्वर से दूर इस स्वर्ग को स्थापित किया है। इसकी दूरी 3 गुना ज़्यादा है पृथ्वी और हाई टॉपमोस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ स्काई, आकाश के जो टॉपमोस्ट पॉइंट और इस पृथ्वी के बीच की दूरी से 3 गुना दूरी पर नरक की स्थापना ईश्वर के द्वारा की गई है। Oh, how unlike the place from whence they fell! They are the companions of his fall, overwhelmed with floods and whirlwinds of tempestuous fire. He soon discerned and weltering by his side, one next himself in power and next in crime. In these lines, Milton makes a compare between hell and heaven. So he says like this: Oh, how unlike the place from whence they fell! Oh, how unlike, how dissimilar the place from where they fall. The place means the hell. Hell is quite different from the heaven from where they here means angels, expelled angels, rebellious angels, which fall from the heaven, and their companions of his fall. They fell. They are the companions of his fall. Oh, how dissimilar and different this hell is from the place from where they fell. It means hell is quite different from the heaven, because heaven is the place of happiness and hell is the place of sadness. Next, the companion of his fall, they are in this place hell. All the companions, his companions of his, it means his means Lucifer. Where means in this place of hell, all the companions of Lucifer lay down, and they were overwhelmed, and they were crushed with flood and whirlwind of tempest fire. And all the companions of Lucifer were crushed with floods and whirlwinds, means bavander, yeah, we can say storms of tempest fire and fire, rage fire, we can say stormy fire, flood and storms of fire. All his companions and himself were crushed with the flood and storms of fire in this hell. He soon discerned and weltering by his side, one next himself in power and next in crime. When Lucifer sees all around him, and he compares between hell and heaven, and Milton also makes a comparison between hell and heaven, and in this stormy and flooded hell, they were crushed, fallen angels were crushed with flood and stormy fire, so they were leading a life of tortures and continued tortures. He soon discerns, he means Lucifer, soon discerns, comes to know, yeah, looks, witnesses, and weltering by his side. Soon Lucifer cast an eye on his companions and his supporting angels, and he found weltering by his side a companion who was weltering, tumbling by his side, who was none else but his best companion Beelzebub, Beelzebub, one next himself in power, who is next to him in power and in crime. It means Beelzebub was also a powerful supporter of Satan, and whose position is next from him in power and in crime, who is also who was also tumbling there, and he his condition is also was also miserable, and in this condition Satan found Beelzebub. And now, dear students, I explain you in Hindi. Oh, how unlike the place from whence they fell. Oh, how, अरे ये बड़ी, यह स्थान उस स्थान से कितना भिन्न है। इसका कहने का मतलब है कि ये नरक जैसा स्थान है जो है वह उस स्थान जहाँ से उनको निष्कासित किया था स्वर्ग, उस स्वर्ग और नरक, उस स्वर्ग से ये स्थान नरक वाला स्थान कितना भिन्न है। देयर द कंपेनियन ऑफ हिज फॉल, जहाँ उसके साथी पड़े हुए हैं और ओवरवेल्म्ड और दबे हुए हैं विथ फ्लड, और फ्लड्स में बाढ़, और स्टॉर्म ऑफ टेम्पटस फायर, और उग्र आग के तूफान और बाढ़ से दबे हुए हैं। वो शीघ्र ही अपने सहयोगियों की तरफ देखता है तो वह पाता है कि उसी की बगल में वेल्टरिंग लड़खड़ाता हुआ घूमकर नीचे ज़मीन पर गिरता हुआ उसी के एक साथी को देखता है जो उससे शक्ति और अपराध करने में उसके बाद अगला स्थान उसी का है, वह और कोई नहीं बल्कि उसका ग्रेट सपोर्टर बिल्जेबब है। इन दिस वे these 10 lines expresses or describes the difference and comparison between hell and heaven, and the creation of hell by the god, which was just like a prison, and for giving the punishment this hell was created by the god, and all the rebellious angels were set in this prison after having expelled from the heaven, and this place hell was established thrice times distance from the heaven of the distance of earth and high topmost point in the sky. So these as you know, dear students, these lines are composed in blank words, so there is no rhyming scheme, and a fine comparison and description was made by John Milton about the hell and its creation. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening. Okay, thanks.